Internet is not wireless. In fact, it is as much as wired as you and I can think of. And in this video, I'll show you how and why. So let's get started. The devices that we use are only connected to the internet wirelessly. While these devices only form around 10% of the global infrastructure of the global internet. The internet in fact depends on the server and optical fiber cables to transport data, whereas the optical fiber cable amounts to 75% of the total infrastructure of the global net. Thus I consider internet as a wired network rather than a wireless network. Let me show you an example. Let's take the PewDiePie channel of Sweden, and you want to watch this channel is New York, America. That means the server of the YouTube of Sweden has to be loaded to the server of New York, and for this optical fiber network is used. They are laid from Europe to America to help the servers to load each other, and thus I hope you can get an example how internet is actually wired. Now let's look at the globe, how optical fiber cables are laid beneath the sea, oceans to help internet work. And this is one of the most beautiful technology that we have. In fact, this is the reason that internet works today. And one of the reasons for Geo to be cheap also hides in the optical fiber network. This I will continue in some other video. For today, I think it's enough. So if you like the channel, share and subscribe it and comment what you want in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, take care.